Now I'm gonna say this. Now let me say this.
Can we talk about it? Let's talk about it.
If you think me using this glue, this here glue right here, this here weave bonding glue right here on my lashes, if you have a problem with this or you think this is ghetto, you better listen. You can go ahead and exit the chat, Shug. You can exit because I'm using this. I've been using this for years, okay? I'm using this glue. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Mariah, and here I like to share knowledge, pinch pennies, and share knowledge on how I pinch pennies. And today we are penny pinching by doing our lash extensions at home, okay? Hopping right into this video, I am going to be starting with a fresh face, meaning just bare naked lashes, no product on there or nothing, so I can show y'all from start to finish how I prep my lashes before I apply my lash extensions. Here are all the products I will be using in this video. I have my IMB Knotless Lashes, my Lancome Mascara Base, my e.l.f. Mascara, my e.l.f. Clear Mascara, my bonding glue, and my tweezers. So I'm actually going to be starting by applying the Lancome Mascara Base, and I included the e.l.f. Clear Mascara as a cheaper, budget-friendly alternative to this base because, girl, you know I'm repping for us penny pinchers out here. I'm only using this base because a friend gave it to me because they got it in a sample bag, okay? So you don't have to go and buy this product in order to prep and prime your your eyelashes. You don't have to use this exact product to do this. This is just the product that I've been using and I really like it. However, I have achieved the exact same results by using the clear e.l.f. brow and mascara, clear mascara. I like to apply as many layers of this mascara base as I'm comfortable with because it will enhance the hold and the appearance of the e.l.f. mascara once I apply it on top of this base. Now I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. volumizing mascara and putting it on top of that layer of mascara base. I like to do this because I feel that the lash extensions hold better and last longer when they're applied on top of mascara on my lashes. So yeah, I really suggest and recommend if you're going to do lash extensions at home, just to wear some mascara underneath them so that they don't just slide off of your natural lashes, unless you want them to. It's up to you. Do you? I will be using the IMV 2x Volume Ultra Black 3D Knot Free Individual Lashes. I purchased these bomb lashes from my local beauty supply for, as you can see, $4.99. These particular lashes that I purchased had this multi-layered effect feature, which made them look a little more voluminous and wispy. So I just wanted to take them out of the package and allow you guys to see that wispy feature. You can kind of see how the hair just looks doubled when you see it from the side. Now I'm just going to start prepping my lashes for application. So I've already taken a drop of my bonding glue and put it on the tray so it can start getting tacky. And now I'm just going to start plucking off the lashes that I want to use from the sticky tray so that I can just pick them up easier and quicker while I'm applying them. I know I left mine looking a little crazy. Just kind of left them laying there looking like a group of dead gnats. But it's okay. I usually try to lay them a little neater. But for the sake of time and the video, it was alright that they were just kind of jumbled up because they were easy to pick up and pick apart. I'm going to be showing you how I pick up the lashes and dip the end of them into the bonding glue. And you know what? Before we even get into that, I'm up off this voiceover real quick too. Because if you want to be up in my comments like, this glue ain't gave me one problem. I ain't been blind and nan eye. I ain't nan lashed and fell off premature or nothing like that. And I make sure, and I'm telling y'all, if you gonna use this glue, get the fungus free. Get Salon Pro 30-second bonding glue. Fungus free. Don't fool with none of that other stuff. That other stuff how y'all have broke out looking like some old fruit. Get the bonding glue that says fungus free.
Anywho,
back to the video. Like I was saying, you will dip the tip of the lash into the bonding glue just enough to, get a small bead on the end. And then you want to brush the back against the tray just to get the excess glue off of the back of the lash so that it does not stick to your bottom lashes. Now I'm going to begin my application process, and as you can see, I'm looking hilarious right now. Like, I'm literally looking like that meme of the emojis. So here what I'm doing is I'm taking the lash and gently placing it on my hair as close to the lash line as possible. And once I do that, I clamp the tweezers with the lash and the hair together just to secure it. And if I want to move the lash around a little bit once I place it on there, I just use the back side of the tweezers to readjust the lash. After I do that, I just continue to repeat the process until I have the desired fullness and look that I'm going for. I like to apply my lashes underneath my natural lashes because I feel like it looks more natural when you look down at my lashes. That's just my personal preference, so I wanted to show you guys how to do that method. There are other methods on YouTube that show you how to apply them above your lashes, on top, and I mean, either one works, but I feel like at the end you'll see that these look a lot more natural. And yeah, don't be intimidated by the method. I don't want y'all in my comments talking about some, oh girl, you better than me, I'm gonna poke my eye out. Practice makes perfect. Be patient, go slow. I had to build up this amount of trust in myself and in my hand not to poke my eye. I have not done so, as you can see. So yeah, I prefer this method. And good luck with your attempt at doing this method. Another thing that I like about this method is that when you look at the lashes from the top view, it has the appearance that they were the individual, like mink, single hair lashes. I really, really, really love that effect. And I get so many compliments from people that think that these are those kind of extensions, and they are not. As I'm editing this, I'm just laughing because I just keep coming back and talking to y'all. I just ain't gonna never let the music play, huh? But it's informational, so y'all be happy. But once I get the lashes on my eyes, sometimes I'll squeeze them together with my fingertips just for a little extra security. And as you can see, they have filled out more, looking fuller, looking cute. And this was my first time doing my lashes literally in my phone. So girl, it just takes practice to get comfortable with your placement. I went ahead and finished my other eye off camera, and I will be coming back to show the finished result. And here are the finished results. That other eye is looking wonderful. And they are looking full and wispy and just really cute, girl. So I decided to go ahead and put a little mascara on mine. I like to do that. It's totally optional and it's not necessary because they look very cute naked. But I like a little bit of razzle dazzle. Like my eyes to have a certain je ne sais quoi about them. And here I am, clearly feeling myself at the end with my fully finished and mascaraed up lashes. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope it was informative and helpful. And if you got any questions or anything, just hit me up in the comments below. Bye.